First of all, thank you, Ajay sir, for giving me this amazing opportunity to share a Dayton story from our reading materials. The Dayton story include in our reading materials, and the reading materials help me a lot to build up vocabulary in my spoken English journey. So let's take a glance at the story. So the story started in a jungle. In the jungle, one day a dog was roaming around. When he was roaming around, suddenly he saw a lion approaching in front of him. He felt fear and started thinking how to get rid from the lion. And he thinking many process, many ways. But luckily, he saw a carcass nearby. Then he found a way to save himself. He went to the carcass and started eating it. And he said, I had a nice time to having a lion in lunch, and started work arrogantly. After seeing all this incident, the lion thought the dog is really powerful than me. But unfortunately, there was a monkey in front of the tree, and he noticed everything. He went to the dog and said he revealed everything in front of the dog. Hearing this word, again the dog started perspiring and thought, if the lion know everything, then he came and killed me. Again, he started thinking how to escape from the lion. And in this time, he again also found a way. When he saw the monkey in front of the lion, he said, I trained the monkey to bring a lion from my lunch. Hearing this word, the lion stopped in his tracks, and without hearing the monkey's word, he fled from the scene. So if we relate the story in our daily life, we saw in reality, we are surrounded by different kinds of problems. Actually, the problem is not as bigger as we think. Without finding the solution of the problem, we go into the depression. Actually, in today's generation, depression, frustration, disappointment is the most important part. That's why the number of suicide cases is increasing day by day. Suppose a student achieves bad score in exam, he or she did not try to understand his mistake. He did not try to focus on his study. He or she choose the suicide is the best option to get rid all kinds of problems. So we need to forsake from all these kind of things like depression, frustration, disappointment, etc. We don't think what we had and what we will have. We need to try to live in present and spend our life happily and peacefully with our family. So the moral of the story is think smartly and be innovative. So thank you everyone for listening me attentively and carefully. Complete.
খুব ভালো হয়েছে স্নেহাশিস, একদম খুবই ভালো হয়েছে, আমার খুবই ভালো লেগেছে তোমার স্পিচ। তুমি কন্টেন্ট ভালো রেডি করেছো, তুমি যে এক্সাম্পল দিয়েছো আজকের সমাজের প্রবলেম নিয়ে, এটাও খুব ভালো করেছো তুমি। সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে তুমি বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ খুব ভালো বলেছো, কারণ তুমি হ্যান্ড জেস্টার ইউজ করেছো, একভাবে তাকিয়েছিলে। এবং ভয়েস মডিউলেশনও তোমার খুব ভালো হয়েছে, যে জায়গায় তোমার একটু জোরে বলার দরকার সেখানে বলেছো, যেখানে থামার দরকার থেমেছো। খুব ভালো হয়েছে স্নেহাশিস, এটাকে